Some important points need to be discussed here. So the first, you can see three structures on the screen. One is spherical structure, second one is cubical one, and the third one is a cylindrical structure. Three of them are closed surfaces. The same positive charge is placed inside the three surfaces. So let's find out the flux passing through each of the surface. So if you consider the first surface, what is the total electric flux passing through the first surface? The net charge enclosed by the surface is Q. So as per Gauss's law, it is Q by epsilon naught. Now, for the second surface, what is the total flux? Here the net charge enclosed is Q. So here also the flux is Q by epsilon naught. For the third surface, the net charge enclosed by that surface is also the same charge Q. So the flux is Q by epsilon naught. So when we apply the Gauss's law, we can see that is the flux passing through each of the surfaces is equal. That means the flux passing through any surface does not depend upon the shape of that particular surface. It only depends upon the net charge enclosed by that surface. Since here the same charge is enclosed by all the three closed surfaces, irrespective of their shapes, the flux passing through all the surfaces are equal. That is, phi1 equal to phi2 equal to phi3. So now we can discuss the next point. See, on the screen you can see a closed surface, and the closed surface encloses the charges plus 3 coulomb, plus 5 coulomb and minus 8 coulomb. Along with that, some other charges are also present, plus 4 coulomb and minus 6 coulomb outside the closed surface. So what is the total flux passing through that closed surface? What is the equation? Net charge enclosed by the surface by epsilon naught, Q by epsilon naught. And how many charges are enclosed by the surface? 5 plus 3, 8. Then 8 minus 8 is 0. 0. So what is the total flux passing through the surface? 0. Now we are not bothered about the charges plus 4 coulomb and minus 6 coulomb. Why? Because these charges are not residing inside the closed surface that we have considered. These charges are lying outside the closed surface. These charges do not influence the electric flux value. Okay, so we must consider only those charges which are present inside the closed surface under consideration. See, next point of discussion is that in the figure you can see a cube, right? And the cube encloses a positive charge Q. So what is the total electric flux passing through this cube, through the whole cube? Yes, we can apply this Gauss's law, that is the total electric flux passing through whole cube is phi net. Net means the total flux, net flux is Q by epsilon naught. But what if I ask you about the flux passing through any one phase of the cube? Here we have calculated phi net, but this phi net is the total flux passing through the whole cube. But what is the total flux passing through any one phase of the cube? So if such questions or if such situation arrives, so we need to use this formula. The total flux passing through any one phase of any structure will be equal to phi net divided by n, where n is the number of phases for that particular structure. And you know, for a cube, how many phases are there? 6 phases are there. So what will be the total flux passing through any one phase of the cube? It will be phi net by n. What is phi net? Phi net is Q by epsilon naught, then divided by n. N means what? Number of phases. How many phases are there for a cube? 6 phases. So what will be the expression? Expression will be Q by 6 epsilon naught. Okay. So this expression is very important. This helps us to calculate the electric flux passing through any one phase of the structure. So for that you need to divide the flux passing through the whole body divided by number of phases for that particular body. Okay. So thus Gauss's law is very important. It helps us to find out the electric field intensity for various charge distributions. Gauss's law is applicable only for closed surfaces. Okay children, that's all for today's session. Notes of the topic and the YouTube video has been uploaded. Please go through the YouTube video so that concepts will be much more clear to you. There will be a small test based on the topic. So attend the test and post me the answers quickly. We will meet in the next session. Also try to solve the numericals which are there in your printed notes. If you have any doubt, please feel free to contact me. We will meet in the next session. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe, keep learning. Thank you.